Hello friends, myself Rakesh Roshan from Learn Tech to Tech channel. In this video I will discuss the operating system and the objective of the operating system and the function of operating system, and at last we also discuss the types of operating system. So let us start, but before start I just want to request you, please subscribe my channel Learn Tech to Tech and do not forget to click on the bell so that you will be get notified for every my new video. So let us start. What is operating system? Actually, the operating system acts as an interface between the user and hardware. Actually, user doesn't know the language of hardware and hardware doesn't know the language of user. So that in between something is required who can interact between the user and hardware, and that thing is the operating system. Like your Windows 7, Windows 8, Linux, all are the operating system on which platform we can install any application, we can do anything by using only the operating system. Without operating system we cannot operate our mobile or any computer or laptops in a very friendly manner. So the simple definition of the operating system is that the operating system acts as an interface between the user and hardware. Now let us come, what are the objective of operating system? Actually, the objective of operating system is that first one is convenience. That means user must have the convenience to use your computer, use your mobile, etc. So that user can do anything very easily and very user friendly manner. So that is the first objective of the operating system. Because whenever suppose that I am working with the MS Word or Excel, then we do not need to bother about the hardware. That means how can our data will be stored, how can this file system, what are the different file system of the computer, these type of things, these type of lower level things we do not need to require, and we just make our document and save in the computer or laptops. So this is the convenience. First one is increase work efficiency. That means whatever you are working in the operating system, that will be efficient. That means do not need to wait for something, or do not need to wait for something or for the late time. So increase work efficiency means also is that suppose that you are working with more than 3 application or 4 application or something more than 3-4 application, then there is no any effect in the computer in your speed, in terms of your speed or in terms of your performance, if you have a good operating system or operating system in your computer. That is the objective of the operating system is also to increase the work efficiency. Next, ability to create new functions. That means whenever you are working with the operating system and you just want to create another function, or you want to just create another process, then it will be there, your operating system must be able to create the new process or new function. Here new function or new process means suppose that you are working with Word, Excel or PowerPoint, but at the same time you want to enjoy the music or something else, then you just click on the music application and you can enjoy music in background, and you in the foreground you are in the foreground in the background you are enjoying the music, and in the foreground you are working with the Word, Excel or PowerPoint. These are the objective of the operating system. So next we are coming with the function of the operating system. What are the different function of operating system? What actually do the operating system? So we will see the first function of the operating system is to process management. That means whatever the work, whatever the process in your system, that will be managed by the operating system. Suppose that you are working with 2 application, 3 application, 4 application or more, even more than that, then that management of those application must be by the operating system, and that will be managed by the operating system. Next one is the memory management. You know that there are primary memory, secondary memory in our computer like RAM, ROM and hard disk. The management of that type of memories are also required for the RAM, ROM or secondary devices. So there is a memory management. That means the management of the memories are also the second function of the operating system. That means operating system manage that what will be stored on the RAM and what will be deleted from the RAM. So what will be how the storage will be done to in the hard disk. So that type of functions will be the this type of functions will be looked after by the operating system. Next was the input output management. You know that without input output your computer will do not do anything. That means in the meantime of working with the laptops, you will always do some inputs, and as well as at the same time you will take the some output from the computer. So that input output management is the also the next function of the operating system. That means whenever you take the input, whenever you give the output, that type of, suppose that you are working with the Word, Excel, or you are working with anything and you are giving input, then at the same time you want to take the printout, or you want to listen the music or video, then that will be the output device. That means in your music is sounding in the speaker, your printout is taking out from the printer. So that type of input output management, how can the management of these input outputs, that will be the look after by the operating system. Next is security management. That means nowadays every operating system is the inbuilt security management system. Firewall, these are one of the examples of the operating system security. So that type of security will be managed by the operating system. And last one is the device management. You know that nowadays there are lots of billions of devices are available which you can use with your computer, like your mobile phone, your camera, your webcam, many things you can use with your computer. So that type of devices will be managed by the operating system. So these are the primary functions of the operating system. Okay, next is the types of operating system. So what are the different type of operating system? So let us see. The types of operating system are batch operating system, multitasking operating system, multiprocessing operating system, then real-time operating system, and last one is distributed operating system. And sometimes also there are different types like parallel operating system, then in the real time, that is hard real time, soft real time. There are different operating system, depends on the literature. So first of all we see the batch operating system. Actually in the batch operating system we just put the number of jobs or tasks to the system, and that system will execute the jobs one by one serially. That is called the batch operating system. This will be utilized by the MS-DOS. Second one is multitasking operating system. Multitasking operating system means whenever the operating system can handle more than one task at a time, then it is called the multitasking operating system. And nowadays every operating system has a ability to tackle the multiple tasks. So every operating system is the multitasking operating system in the today's world. Third one is multiprocessing operating system. Suppose that your computer has a multiple processor. You know that nowadays the computers are coming with the i3, i5, i7 and with the multi-core operating system, multi-core processors. That means there will be one processor, one chip, but within that there will be the 4 processors or 8 processor, depends on your system. So that more than one processor can be handled by the operating system, and the operating system that can handle multiple processor at the same time, and that is called the multiprocessing operating system. Fourth one is real-time operating system, which is very important and very interesting. In the real-time operating system, there will be a time fix. That means if the work will be done in a particular time, otherwise it will be discarded. The example of the real-time operating system is the robots. So in the robots or any operating system or any system which is used to control the, suppose that the pipeline, petroleum pipeline or anything else, where either the work will be done in a proper time. That means if the work can be done within a 2 second, then work must be done within the 2 second. If within a 2 second the work will not done, then that work will be discarded. That means it will not considered as a successful completion of the work. So that is the real-time operating system. Then there are 2 type of real-time operating system, that is hard real-time system, soft real-time system. That means in the hard real-time system we cannot change the times, but in the soft real-time system there will be a provision that in the meantime we can change the time, so that, because that is called the real-time. And the distributed operating system, actually distributed means whenever your data is distributed at the multiple location, and by using the network or anything else, your data which is located in the multiple locations can be handled by the operating system. That will the distributed operating system. That means suppose that your data are in the multiple locations, multiple places, and in the multiple network, and your operating system is able to collect or remotely access your data or manage or process your data easily or very efficiently. So that type of operating system is distributed operating system. So friends, I already explained there are 4 topics here. First one is operating system, definition of operating system, you see that. Second one is objective of operating system. Third one is function of operating system, and last one is types of operating system. I hope you understand all the concept very easily, and so that please you share this video with your friends and colleagues, and you please subscribe my channel Learn Tech to Tech, and also click on the bell so that you will be get notified for every my new video. Thank you and goodbye. Okay friends, I hope you understand all the topic and the concepts very easily, and so that if you have any doubt, then please write on the comment section. I will definitely reply you within the 24 hours. And please like my video and share my video with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to subscribe my channel Learn Tech to Tech. Thank you and goodbye.